Hi, good day everyone. My name is Kenneth Mañibo from BSIE 2201. So for today's video, I will going to make my first activity in computer-aided design. Specifically, this is the figure that I will going to do. So let's start. So the first step is we should type L for the command line and then type 1, 1 for the specify the first point. And then by this time we are going to put hashtag. So type hashtag, then type 4.1 comma 1, enter. And then we are going to put hashtag again. So type hashtag, then type 4.5 comma 2.2, enter. So the next step is again we are going, by this time we have no hashtag included here, so type 2.3, enter. Then by this time we have here an angle, then we are going to type 1.4. Then by this time we are going to press tab to indicate or to put the angle, and we are going to use 30-degree angle. Why 30 degrees? So if you are going to look at it, it has a straight line which has a degrees of 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 150 will give us 30 degrees. So the next step is this line, horizontal, vertical to the upward. So next is type 2.1 with an angle of 90 degrees. So make sure that it is in 90 degrees, enter. And then for this line, the line here, the 1.6, we are going to type 1.6, press tab, and then 120. So why it is in 120 degrees? It is 120 degrees. If you are going to look at it, it has again a straight line which has an angle of 180 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 150 degrees will give us 30 degrees. And then the 130 degrees plus 90 degrees will give us 120 degrees. So the next step is we are going to do this line. So type 1.3, enter. 1.3 and make sure that it is in angle 1.3 in angle 1.3 in a straight line. It has an angle of 180 degrees. The next is the vertical downward, and it has an measures of 1.4, and enter. Then for next step is this line, an angle of 45 degrees. So we are going to type 2.2, press tab, will give us and the angle is 135, enter. Why it is in 135? It is 45 and plus 90 degrees will give us 135. Next line is this one. So next is we are going to type again 1.0 and make sure it is in a straight line, enter. Then next is this line. It has an angle of 45 degrees. So type 1.5 tab 135. So why it is in 135? So 180 degrees minus 45 degrees will give us 135 degrees. Enter. The next is this line. So type 1.0 and make sure it is in a straight line, an angle of 180 degrees. Enter. Then next is this line and just type 2.3 with an angle of 60 degrees. Tab 60. And by this time you are going just to connect to the endpoint and escape. So by next is we are going to put some dimensions. So in order to put some dimension, we are going to type dim linear and then this one to this one and just click here. Again, type dim linear, then this one, and again dim linear, again dim here, this one. Next is dim linear again, and then dim linear, dim linear again, by this time we are going to type dim aligned for the line which is diagonal. So click here and then click here and then it is the measurement. Next is dim aligned again, click here and then here 1.6. Again dim aligned, click here and just adjust here, then dim aligned again, here and for the last one is we are going to type again dim aligned, here. So the next one is we are going to indicate the angle. So we are going to type dim angular. So just click this line and it will give us our indicated angle which is 150 degrees. Next is dim angular again and click this line and it will indicate our measurement for the degrees which is 150 degrees. Again dim angular and just click this line and this line which will give us this 45 degrees. So in order to indicate naman this line at this angle, we are going to put L, we are going to type command L for line and here and here. So type dim angular to this line and it will give us our indicated measure for angle which is 45 degrees. And again, we are going to put line here, then dim angular, click this line and this line, and it will give us our indicated measurement 120 degrees. So by this time, we are going to indicate the first point, which is the 1 comma 1. In order to do that, we are going to type empty for the text. Just put it in here. Type 1 comma 1. And then again, type empty for text. Type 4.1 comma 1 and 2. And this indicated measurement again, just type empty for text and put it here, and type 4.5 comma 2.2. So that's it. This is our figures, and I've already done my activity 1. So I hope you like it, guys, and thank you for watching.